Hi, hello, welcome everyone. Today's topic is animals and plants. This is related to class 3. Our world has many animals and plants. Although both animals and plants are living things, they differ from each other in many ways. They are listed below: movement, food habits, breathing, sense organs, reproduction. Let us see movement in plants and animals. Animals cannot make their own food, so that they have to move from one place to another in search of food. Whereas in plants, they cannot move, they are fixed to the ground. They can make their own food, so they do not have to move in search of food. How do plants make their food? All green plants make their own food with the help of the water, air, and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Only the leaves of a plant can prepare the food. So that leaves are called as food factories of the plant or kitchen of the plant. Only non-green plants like mushrooms and molds get their food from dead and rotting matter. How do animals get their food? Some animals eat only plants and plant parts. They are called plant eating animals. For example, cows, buffaloes, elephants, etc. Some animals eat other animals. They are called flesh eating animals. For example, lions, tigers, eagles, etc. Whereas some animals they will eat both plants and other animals. Examples are human beings, bears, squirrels, etc. How do animals breathe? Most animals which live on land breathe through their lungs. Human beings, horses, tigers, monkeys, and gorillas are the examples of animals which breathe through their lungs. And fishes and tadpoles have gills which help them to breathe in water. As they are living in water, they are unable to breathe with lungs. So they are having a special breathing organ called gills. These gills help them to breathe in water. And some insects such as ants, cockroaches, grasshoppers, flies, and butterflies have air holes on their bodies which help them to breathe. These air holes are called spiracles. How do plants breathe? Plants breathe through tiny pores on the underside of their leaves. These tiny pores are called stomata. The stomata helps the plants in exchange of gases from the atmosphere. These pores cannot be seen with our naked eyes. They are seen only under a microscope. Sense organs. Animals have sense organs like skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. These sense organs help them to know about the world around them, whereas plants do not have any sense organs. Reproduction in animals. Some animals like snakes and all birds lay eggs, where babies hatch out from these eggs. Some animals like cats and cows give birth to their young ones. Then what about reproduction in plants? Most plants reproduce through seeds. As they are producing seeds, these seeds gives rise to new plants. In some special cases, new plants grow from the parts of a plant like stem, roots or leaves. Though animals and plants are different from each other, they depend on each other to live. Animals depend on plants for their food and habitat. In turn, plants depend on animals for the dispersal of their seeds. If there are just plants, just enough plant eating animals, and just enough flesh eating animals in the world, there is a perfect balance in the nature. However, human beings disturb this balance by cutting down trees and killing animals. Therefore, we must grow trees and protect animals to maintain the balance in nature. Here are some questions for you children. Moulds and mushrooms are dash plants. Fishes breathe through. Plants reproduce through. Don't forget to comment your answers in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.